Is your shoulder and neck uncomfortable? Don't worry. Today, I'm sharing a set of shoulder and neck massage techniques. 5 simple steps to quickly help you relax. Step 1. Alternately use both hands to knead the sore muscles on both sides of the neck. Knead slowly. Do 20 sets. Step 2. Use both hands to press on both sides of the neck. Make circles 20 times. Step 3. Scrape outward 20 times in the areas of the shoulder and neck that feel the most sore. Step 4. Pinch 20 times in the sore areas of the trapezius muscle. Do 5 sets. Step 5. Alternate pushing with your thumbs on both sides. Do 20 sets. Massage this way 3 to 4 times a week to make your shoulders and neck feel more relaxed.